Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. Today we have pasta farfales with sausage and mushrooms. Very easy and quick dish. You're going to love it. We've been cooking our pasta for around 9 to 10 minutes as the package instructions say. Never forget, always add to your water salt and oil. Before we drain the pasta, let's get around half a cup of pasta water for later on. We're going to need a pan, medium to high heat, add olive oil and chopped garlic. We want to cook the garlic for around 10 to 15 seconds in the oil before we add anything else. Now, let's add the sausage and cook it for around a minute. After cooking the sausage for around a minute, it's time to add the chili flakes. And now, let's add the mushrooms as well. Carry on cooking everything medium to high heat until the mushrooms and the sausage start turning golden brown. Let's add some salt, some pepper, and a bit of pasta water. Stir everything nicely together and carry on cooking. Now that the sausage and the mushrooms are just about ready, let's add some pasta water. When we add the pasta water, it will make a nice little sauce, so when we get the farfales and add them into the pan and mix everything up, it will absorb all that flavor. Now, let's add the farfales and mix everything up really well. As soon as you give everything a really good mix, it's time to serve. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη!